The construction site was already in motion when the first rays of sunlight touched the ground. Workers moved with purpose. Machines started their routines, and the day's tasks were clearly defined. It was a typical morning. Everything seemed under control. Lucas arrived and joined his team as they prepared for the day. He had worked on similar projects before and understood how important it was to stay focused in a dynamic environment. After the briefing, the team spread out. Lucas was assigned to an area where materials were being organized and transported. As he walked through the area, he noticed a small detail. A piece of equipment was positioned slightly outside its usual boundary. It did not block the path completely, but it reduced the available space. Lucas slowed down and looked at it. A coworker nearby noticed him observing and said casually, "It's fine. We've been working like this all morning." The phrase sounded reassuring, simple, confident, and easy to accept. Lucas nodded and continued with his work. Throughout the morning, several workers passed through that same area. Each one adjusted slightly to move around the equipment. No one stopped. No one raised a concern. The work continued smoothly. From the outside, everything appeared normal, but small changes in the environment can influence how people move, think, and react. As the site became busier, the space that once seemed fine now required more attention to navigate. Lucas noticed that people were becoming more cautious. Some slowed down. Others changed their route slightly. Later that day, a site supervisor conducted a routine inspection. He immediately noticed the equipment placement. He stopped and assessed the situation. It was clear that the position was not aligned with the site's safety standard. He called the nearby team and asked them to pause briefly. Within minutes, the equipment was moved back to its correct position. The difference was noticeable. The area became easier to navigate, and the need for constant adjustments disappeared. The supervisor gathered the team. A situation starts small. Someone says, "It's fine." And because nothing happens immediately, everyone accepts it. But fine is not always the same as safe. Sometimes it just means the problem hasn't shown itself yet. Lucas reflected on those words. He realized how easily he had accepted the situation earlier that day. Safety is about recognizing when something is not right, even if it seems manageable. The message stayed with everyone. At the end of the shift, Lucas walked again through the same area. Now the path was clear. Open exactly as it should be. In any workplace, small decisions matter. Because when something feels slightly off, it deserves attention. Is it really fine?